Computer and health. Nowadays, computers are being used in every school and nearly every home. A mobile phone is a computer too. We can do many things using computer: write, create and scan documents, play games, chat online, watch video, etc. There is a lot of research happening around the world, particularly about kids and the amount of time they spend on computers and playing computer games. Researchers are concerned that long lengths of time on computers may lead to bad posture, which can lead to problems with the spine, poor circulation of blood, and pain in muscles and joints. Hand injuries from pressing buttons on a computer or games controller. Muscle and joint problems leading to headaches, neck or back pain from sitting too long. Obesity caused by sitting around for a long time, eating while using the computer or playing games on computer, and not doing enough physical exercise. Eye strain when eyes get tired of staring at the screen, leading to blurry vision, sore eyes and headache. Losing some of your ability to be creative. How to avoid the problems which are arising due to excessive use of computers. Set up your computer so that you can see the screen without tilting your head up or down. Have the keyboard at the same level as your elbows. Use your arm, not just your wrist, when you move the mouse. Look away from the screen to focus on something further away to give your eyes a rest. Do not eat while you are using a computer. Limit your time on the computer by taking breaks. Move around and be active.